This is my new best friend. His name is Carl. He likes to eat grass. And he's leaving me. Don't abandon me, Carl!
Time to make the donuts.
We are beyond making up for lost time for 2020 and 2021. I have been traveling non-stop all summer long, traveling from Dallas to Scranton to Boston to... where the hell am I? Hopefully you get that reference. It's kind of rare though that I actually go places I've never been before, so this trip to Sioux Falls, first time ever being in South Dakota, so I figured carry a GoPro along and see what I see. I can take this off. Oh, that's not what I want. South Dakota. Let's check it out. Get in my room here. This is kind of my favorite thing about just going new places. Like, you see things you never really expected to. So, I've never been to South Dakota. Never been to Sioux Falls. Just walking around downtown here, and they have like all these little sculptures. It's like a whole sculpture walk, so kind of cool. Just a neat little tidbit about Sioux Falls that I never would have even expected. Another favorite of random travel things. Buddy of mine that I used to know from Minnesota recommended I go to that JB Beers place and try a burger out. Pretty on time, man. I love finding these little random restaurants because I am food junkie when I travel. I like to eat. This is not the body of somebody who gives up on eating, so clearly I enjoy it, and it's fun. And I like finding good places that are unique and not just your typical chain restaurants. So yeah, Sioux Falls winning in my book so far. Not really what I expected. Didn't know what to think coming here, but it's cool so far. So I thought before I call it quits on the night and retire to the hotel room, it's just, I want to see this little downtown like at night lit up. So I thought that'd be kind of cool. Just walk down and check it out a little. So let's go. It's a pretty cool little downtown area. It honestly reminds me a lot of like Mobile or like Huntsville. Some like the smaller downtown areas I've been to, but like there's a lot of character here, like the lights and just the atmosphere. I like it a lot. It's pretty neat. All right, Sioux Falls in 27 hours. Try to sum this up. Not what I expected. Hands down, not what I expected. I've never been, obviously, to South Dakota, North Dakota. This whole region of the country I've never been to. And although the Minnesota border is like 5 minutes from here, I really didn't know what to expect. And I was surprised to break out of the clouds on approach to the airport here and see how green it was, number one. Relatively kind of rolling hill, kind of like mix of plains and what I guess you imagine Badlands. Only I always thought of Badlands as being like almost desert-like in a way. I don't know. Pretty cool little town. All things considered, the first impression, like, pulled in here, parked in the parking lot at the hotel, and see like families riding bikes down the street, and cold. I had to break out a jacket for the first time since, you know, March. That sucked, but yeah, cool. I like it. I can do this. I can dig it. I could come back here.